This is like Christmas but better. I didn't have to spend money. There's no expectation or obligation or guilt. I'm just rediscovering my own clothing. Springtime is upon us, and that means it is time for me to swap out my sweaters and cold weather clothing and start bringing in more of my spring and summer stuff. And while I do that, might as well just reorganize and clean out the whole thing. Basically, today is another installation of filming something I was going to do anyway. Everything is content, everything is content. So throw on a cozy outfit and let's get organizing. I feel like this is fancy potato, like I'm very comfy. I don't look very put together, but the fabric makes it fancy. Fancy potato. So since the last time I showed you guys my closet, I have changed a few things. The big thing being that I took out my very spring and summer oriented clothing and put them in a box down here. So for a while I was going about keeping everything out all year round so that I always knew what I had, but that just wasn't making sense both space-wise and as far as what I was actually using. And now, since my summer and spring stuff has been put away, I'm kind of excited to reopen that box, and I think I'll be more excited to wear those things now that I haven't been staring at them all winter long. I think it'll give me more of a fresh perspective on those items. But I'm not going to worry about my spring and summer stuff today. I'm going to split this up between 2 days. Today is going to be a cleaning out day, but I also want to reorganize. I don't love this current setup. I right now have a cube storage thingy down here. I just don't like that. I really don't like having clothing stored on the floor, and I feel like this top shelf is really underutilized. So first thing I want to do is see what hangers are facing the wrong way. I decided to give the backwards hanger trick another try, where you hang everything backwards and then as you use things, you put them back in the correct way. The reason that this generally doesn't work for me is because sometimes I will pull items out to use for a video, but I don't actually wear them out in real life. I've decided to stop worrying about that because I am still using the item. And then sometimes I pull an item out considering wearing it, but then I don't actually wear it, but then I forget to put it back in with the hanger the wrong way. So it's not a perfect system, but my thought is if something is in here with the hanger facing the wrong way, that means I just have not touched it for the last 6 months. Oh, okay. So this was an alteration that I did, and I think I just remembered to put it in backwards. This is fine. This really should be in costumes. This is gonna go back in costumes. That's why that was backwards. Okay, this again, I had to repair a small tear on it, and I just put it in backwards when I brought it back over. This one also should go back over to costumes. I definitely could wear this as an everyday item, but I'm typically not going to. You could argue that this is just not seasonal. This is an item that I've always been kind of on the fence about ever since I got it. I think I've had this for 4 years. This was a more recent purchase that I just hung up backwards. It's like a pirate shirt. How cool is this? This just wasn't seasonal. This one also isn't really seasonal. I think I kept it in my closet through the winter because I was thinking I would layer it. This doesn't need to be hanging up either. Taking up precious closet space. Also not seasonal. Okay, so it looks like I generally am wearing, or at least considering wearing, most of my items. The next step now is to pull out anything that is just very much a very wintry item, anything that needs to go back into the costume closet, and anything that I am thinking about getting rid of. So since it is still early in the season, I don't want to remove everything that can be worn for colder weather. So I am gonna leave my wool skirts in there still. Just not ready to put away my kilt skirt. Just can't do it. But I am removing some of my thicker knit sweaters, and then I have a few dresses that their fabric is just very wintry, like especially my Christmas green crushed velvet dress that I really only wear that for Christmas. A few things that I want to get rid of. This sweater, I don't think I want to get rid of it. I just think I want to alter it. I'm considering just making this a cardigan. I really love this color. It's perfect for spring, honestly. Maybe, you know what, maybe I'll just leave this as is for a little bit longer and see if I wear it more now that it is springtime, because I think I bought this back in November. I'll give this a couple more months before I chop it up. I do like this black sweater, but when I wear it, I feel like it kind of just has a weird bubble shape. I always feel like it looks a little bit weird. I haven't reached for it at all this year. I don't think I reached for it last year either, which that leaves me without any plain black sweater. I have a plain black cardigan. I think I just want a slimmer fitting black sweater. I don't know. Point being, I have always been kind of on the fence about this one since I bought it 3-4 years ago, and I think it's just time. This is a cardigan I thrifted that just isn't quite what I was looking for. And then this is a little top that it's been going back and forth between my alterations bin and my closet for far too long. And this, I'm not gonna get rid of right away, but honestly I just haven't worn it. I think what I'm gonna do is put this away for a little while and then see if I still want it like 6 months from now. This is something that I could see myself finding a way to style down the road and then regretting that I don't have it. Actually, maybe I will just leave it in the closet. This could be really good for spring. I think mesh is a really good spring layering option. Like, I want to wear this with more orange and pink and like play around with some bright color options. Obviously, I'm not like a super big bright colors person, but this could be really fun with pink or maybe even like this green. I don't know, it could be fun. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in the closet and see if I actually style it for spring. My original intent with this was to style it for Halloween. So yeah, I don't know why I pulled that out. I'm just putting it right back in. So I never really have like a big pile of stuff to declutter because I do just gradually pull things out as I realize I'm not using them and no longer want them. And then those items just get put in a bag that I will be saving for my clothing swap in a couple months. So I have stuff I need to return to the costume closet, a handful of winter items that need to be put away, and a few items that I'm getting rid of. Okay. So my next step, shave my sweaters. I'm gonna use my fabric shaver to remove the pilling from the sweaters that are gonna be packed away. I'm going to make sure that I have photos of all of these items in my open wardrobe app. So I'm using this also as an opportunity to update that app and get back around to cataloging and documenting my outfits. Speaking of documenting outfits, I'm really considering doing the 75 hard challenge where you document your outfits for 75 days to see what you actually wear and you don't buy anything and all of that. I'm considering it. Let me know if you guys want me to do that and make a video on that process for y'all. It could be fun. It could be miserable. Who knows? And then I'm gonna play around with some reorganizing in here and I'm gonna clean this out, and then I'll see you when I am ready to unpack my spring and summer stuff. Welcome back, day 2. I hope you have some comfy pants on again. Really quick before we get to the fun part, which is unearthing all of my warm weather clothing, let me walk you through what I have put together for my organization. Turns out this is the only way that this shelf can be positioned in here that won't just brush up against the bottom of all the clothing. But what I did change is putting these little bins down here on the bottom shelf. I stole these from the sewing room, so I will have to find something to replace them over there. I think that will alleviate the feeling of stuff being right on the floor. I just don't want my clothing right on the floor. I don't know, it feels weird. I could just shove a couple 2x4 scraps under there to raise it up a little bit. I'm considering that. And then I also found a smaller storage bin to go down here. This one is just really big. It also has a cuter, colorful top. I did put the storage bin up top at first, but I don't feel confident that this can hold all of that weight. It makes more sense to keep my boots up there. I took the blanket out and I'm just gonna use it in the living room. I stacked up some boxes that could be stacked. Yeah, I just kind of shuffled things around. I also moved my pants and my jeans into the dresser. So it's not perfect, but I'm gonna try this setup and see how that goes. So now let's get to the fun part and see what warm weather stuff I wanna bring out. This is like Christmas, but better. I didn't have to spend money. There's no expectation or obligation or guilt just rediscovering my own clothing. I'm really excited to wear this, but I think it's still a little bit too cold. Do I hang this up or fold it in my t-shirt drawer? I don't know, but I think I'll bring this out. I am gonna bring all my shorts out at this time, even though I likely will not wear them for a little bit. They're all gonna go in a drawer, and that'll be a combo of my denim and structured shorts along with my athletic shorts and skirts. I really love skirts. I don't actually know if these fit. I'll try them on later. I don't know if I want this. This is one that I altered myself. I'm tempted to just remove the embroidery that I did on here because it's not very good. It definitely was an early attempt at embroidery and it's super bulky. I'm excited to wear this again. I love this top. I'll bring this one out for sure. So this is a skirt that I have been unable to part with because I just love it so much. I think it's so beautiful. The problem is it doesn't fit right now. To be honest, I don't know if it ever will again. I was tiny when I got this. Well, tinier, I guess. So I found the same skirt a few sizes bigger on eBay, but as I'm looking at them side by side, I don't know if you can see, this is mine that I've had for years. This is the one I bought. Just looks kind of yellowed and the texture doesn't feel the same. I think I already washed it. I'm pretty sure. Maybe I didn't. I'll give it a wash and see what happens. I think this dress I am gonna let go of though. This is one that I made a lot of alterations to that I really like, but I made it a little bit shorter than I really want. I wish I'd left it a little bit longer, and the cuffs that I added to the sleeves are just a wee bit small. Like if I flex my arm in any capacity, it's too tight. But more than that, I just don't like the polyester fabric. I don't like the way the fabric feels. So I think I am gonna put this in my pile of stuff for my clothing swap, which does give me a couple months to change my mind if I end up deciding one day, actually I do want to wear that dress. That way it's not immediately gone. This dress, however, even though it is kind of the same material, actually it's 100% the same material because they're both originally from Shein. Both of them I got secondhand though, so don't come for me. But this one I did find myself wearing more often, and even though I don't really like the fabric, it feels like it fits more with the wardrobe that I have currently, and my husband really likes it on me. I don't know why. This is the most like 90s mom dress imaginable, but every time I wear it, he's like, I don't know. Here's another thing I might get rid of. Oh, it's so cute. I'm not gonna wear this. I bought this when I was looking for costume pieces for a musical I did back in the fall. I didn't end up using this. It's just not quite my style. It is very cute, but I don't see myself actually wearing this. So another one for the clothing swap. Do I want to bring this one out? Is the question. Is this too summery? Should I wait a little bit? I am gonna bring out my pink gingham though. Obviously this is the perfect Easter dress. Or my green gingham. I don't know. I like gingham. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. This is that jersey knit black dress I got from my mom. I really like this, but I wore it once last year, and then every time after that, I just didn't want to wear it because it's very form-fitting around my middle, and I didn't like the way that it was like hugging every inch of me, which might sound silly because I'm wearing kind of tighter fitting stuff right now, but it was like much tighter in places where I don't care for that. I really like this, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it. Not when I have other things that I feel much more confident in. Every year I look at this dress and I'm like, why do I have this? The main reason I don't wear it is just because it kind of makes me look pregnant. I'm gonna hang it up though because I want to wear it. I want to wear it. Who cares if I look preggo? It's cute. This is another thing I'm not sure if I should keep. They're just comfy, like around the house pants. They're quite frumpy on me though. But if it's just around the house, do I really care? I will keep them for now. So as I said, there are still some very summery items that I'm not going to bring out just yet. I've got 3 items that I am parting with, and then I'm going to see how this new system with the bins down here works out. And once again, I am trying the flipped hangers method, Spring and fall are definitely the times of the year when I feel like my closet is so bloated and I start to feel like I have too many clothes because I have all of that in between weather stuff. But then I have to remind myself I do use all of it. If I don't, it goes. So that is how I go about switching over my closet for spring and summer generally. Shout out to my fellow nosy people who just want to know what's in other people's closets. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Subscribe if you want to hang out again next week. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, leave a shoe emoji down in the comments. And thank you guys for being here. I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, is that another spider in the carpet? Oh, no, it's not. Okay, good.